This video illustrates the wiring connections for the Delta DTB4848 1/16th DIN temperature and process controller. The video will show the controller model options and wiring connections. The Delta DTB4848 is a 1/16th DIN temperature and process controller. This back view of the controller shows the terminal connections. The terminal layout diagram shows the input power, control inputs, outputs, alarms, and communications. The alpha characters of the part number designate the controller input power and output configuration. The first two alpha characters are the outputs. The last character is for AC or DC input power. The AC models are blank. The DC input models are designated with a D as the third character. The controller can accept different control inputs sharing the same terminals. The available inputs are RTD, thermocouple, analog current, and analog voltage. Output configuration varies by model number. The first alpha character in the part number designates output 1. Output 1 can be a relay, analog current, analog voltage, or a 14-volt DC pulse output to drive a solid-state relay. Output 2 is the second alpha character with a relay option that can be used as a control output or an alarm output contact. A solid-state relay driver is also available. An RS-485 connection is available for a Modbus RTU or ASCII. The DTB4848 has two configurable dedicated alarm outputs. This concludes the wiring of the Delta DTB4848 temperature and process controller. For application notes and videos on the Delta controllers, visit our knowledge base.